Wait, that's not normal. If you stand up fast and you get dizzy. Oh, damn it.
Circle. Right arm around the waist.
Hips. 2 on 1. 2 on 1. 2 on 1.
Bar that up.
Bar it up. Bar. Left hand bar.
Look for your half on the right side. Look for your half on the right side.
Short side. Blow it up. Right. Back him.
Christy, good job. Good wrestling. Don't sit right there. Get to your base.
Let's go.
Knees underneath you. Base.
Get to your base. On the low back. Get to your knees. Right leg up. Up.
Keep coming.
Get one.
Right hand.
Hey, off the top. Peel that off. Up. So close. So close.
First move off the whistle. Good shot. Hey, we got a big lead. Nothing crazy.
Hey, no rolls.
11-2. That's a pretty big lead
down. Hand control. Come up. There you go. Right hand.
Hold. To the dirt. Hey, cover.
Elbow down. Face him.
Up.
Face him. Take a leg. Right hand. Take a leg. Face him.
Take the leg. Right hand. Up. Tornado up. Come up.
Watch yourself. Pop the lock.